Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete all messages in a specific category on Gmail using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com, your trusted email management platform. Next, focus on the left-hand side of the Gmail interface. Select your desired category, whether it's your inbox, a label, or another specific category where you want to delete all messages. Moving on, at the top left corner, above your messages, locate and check the Select box to enable bulk selection of messages within the chosen category. A notification will appear showing the number of conversations selected. To choose all messages within the category, simply click the link provided in the notification. Once all messages are selected, proceed to the top of the screen and click on Delete to remove them permanently from the selected category. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently clear out all messages within a specific category on Gmail, streamlining your inbox and keeping it organized. Thank you for tuning in to our tutorial on deleting all messages in a category on Gmail. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to optimize your email management experience.